guys, Troy here. This is The Way by Pat Barrett in the key of B flat, which is the original key. We're going to start doing this song actually tomorrow, which would be March 17th. Excited to do it for the first time. Love the words in this song. I mean, Jesus himself, obviously, in Scripture says that he is the way, the truth, the life, and nobody comes to the Father except through him. And there's been some prominent pastors, at least one, who had the chance on national television to acknowledge whether or not that was true. And he basically punted on the opportunity. And I just want to encourage you guys out there that if you believe in Jesus, if you really believe in him, then you have to believe in that. Jesus is not one of the ways to the Father. He is not one of the ways to heaven. He is the only way and will ever be the only way. And the great thing is faith in him, not works. It's faith in him. It's a free gift. You have faith, he gives you salvation. It's not like you need to climb a ladder. It's not like you need to check 10 things off a list. It's not like you need to clean yourself up first. It's not like you have to get it perfect. It's not like. It's grace. It's mercy. That's what the song is talking about. Mercies that are new. Every single day we get mercies that are new from the Lord. It's just amazing. If you can't tell, I'm excited about the song to do it. He is protector. He is provider. He is the one I love. I believe he is the way, the truth, and the life. So if you want to see the pedal board shot, the tablature, the tones, the breakdown, all that stuff, GuitarforHISGLORY.com has that. Also want to take another second to shout out some more pickups. So recently I'm excited to announce that I officially endorsed Lambertone's pickups. Love the Crema. I have a big batch of pickups coming from them, put in my guitars. But you always need different flavors too. So I'm going to take a minute to shout out Lindy Fralin and these noise canceling Jazzmaster pickups. So I think he calls them hum canceling Jazzmaster pickups or something like that. But they're a great solution to the noisy P90s that came with this Elliott Tonemaster. So if you're looking for something that's more along the Jazzmaster vein, at this time, this is the best pickup that's along the Jazzmaster vein that I've found. So real sparkly still, has that great kind of chimey Jazzmaster thing going on with none of the hum. So really cool pickup. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy the playthrough. We'll see you in the next one.